Well, the main point, of course, is if not the only one, I'm sort of non-industry. So in many ways, I came to this as, well, not a representative, but certainly more consumer public focused. And it was a two-way street. I'm here to gain knowledge, which I certainly did do, but also, and I hope it came across, I was there to perhaps project the notion to the industry that there's a slight danger in becoming a little inward looking and only talking to yourselves and responding perhaps more to politicians, legislative pressures, shareholders, all that kind of thing, and kind of losing sight of the real important person. Yes, to most of the people here, the customer is the guy in the suit sitting next to him. But ultimately, the person that is still the most relevant is the housewife and the house husband, in my case, at home, making purchase decisions, of which, as again was another nice one to note, packaging is not just the means to carry the product, it's actually a sales tool in its own right. And you know, when I'm walking in through Tesco's or wherever, it's undeniable that what's on that shelf sends a message to me way beyond the contents. And particularly, I suppose, thanks to the media, you're making decisions not just on, oh, that's pretty. It's like, it's pretty, but is it this, is it that? I mean, what does it say about me if I put my hand out and take that one as opposed to that one? It's a competitive environment. Well, again, as a bit of an outsider, but perhaps a slight veteran of the last several years at various things like EcoPack, innovation is one of these amorphous words. I tend to feel, being a creative person, it's slightly overused. I've been to a few sort of industry events where everything has innovation written on it. Oftentimes, it doesn't seem very innovative. I mean, that's not to say evolutions aren't a wonderful thing, but truly innovative, new stuff. Again, interesting from a talk just now, I don't know if he meant it that way, but the guy alluded to the fact that it takes 10 years before something sinks in and works its way through the inertia system. To someone like myself, that's a bit of a worry. But you know, you have to work with systems and bureaucracies and everything else. I'd like to see the packaging industry take a few more risks, perhaps. But again, I'm learning from the other side. It's you know, multiply 450 billion by 0.1 of a penny. I can see why the guys who count the beans might go, love to do it, but hence my attempt to point out that while there may be an inherent cost, hopefully amortized very quickly, it can be recouped very quickly by public sales. If the public likes the innovation, that's a risk we'll take, but if the public likes the innovation and opts for a product, you have a competitive USP, off you go.